What did UK investors buy in terms of stocks and funds, not just this Christmas week, but for this whole year? We're going to look at AJ Bell, Interactive Investor, and IG Index. Okay, so the most popular shares with AJ Bell's DIY investors in all markets in 2025 were Legal & General. I'll come to why that was so popular. Rolls-Royce, Nvidia, BP, Taylor Wimpey, Tesla, BAE Systems, GSK, Aviva, and Strategy. I do happen to own Nvidia. Of those, AI stocks were particularly popular. Of these, the most popular US-listed shares with AJ Bell's DIY investors in 2025 were Nvidia, Tesla, Strategy, Amazon, Palantir, Meta, Alphabet, Advanced Micro Devices, Berkshire Hathaway, and Microsoft. Of those, I do own Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Alphabet, AMD, and Microsoft. Now, defense stocks, because of what's going on with conflict in the world, these were the most popular UK-listed shares for AJ Bell investors, and we're looking at just the UK now for a second. Legal & General, Rolls-Royce, BP, Taylor Wimpey, BAE Systems, GSK, Aviva, HSB, M&G, and Phoenix. Now, what that tells us, several things. First of all, and several worrying things. First of all, clearly investors are focusing on narratives and not whether the underlying companies are showing good performance and results. Now, that's been okay this year because the broader market has risen, and that's fine. But generally, chasing narratives is not as smart as actually looking at the valuation, the revenue growth, the defense yields, or even if you're just momentum trading, that's fine. Then you can go into a Rolls-Royce or a BAE Systems just on momentum alone, as long as you know why you're doing it. But if you're chasing it just because AI and defense are the flavor of the month, that's more worrying. You should have more solid foundation. So when we got into Nvidia a few years ago, it wasn't because we knew about AI. It was because the P&L, the balance sheet, the cash flow statements were showing strong growth. So we got in earlier than most people for that reason, and not so late as when the narrative started hitting the headlines. Okay, now, there's one more that I want to mention. In terms of income stocks, Legal & General is the highest yielding stock in the FTSE 100 with an 8.7% prospective yield. That's not guaranteed because they might not pay another dividend ever again. That's been the number one pick for AJ Bell DIY investors, suggesting that a lot of them are looking for that defense of a good yield. Okay, if we look then at Interactive Investors, that platform, which buy trades as a percentage of total share trades have been the biggest ones. Well, you've got Diageo, Marks and Spencer's, again, Legal & General, Rockhopper Exploration, Ocado, Taylor Wimpey, iShares Physical, Silver, Greatland Resources, Lloyds Banking, and Ceres Power have been their most popular. And for IG, they're sort of, if you're tracking sentiment, UK investors' top three sectors now, 6 months ago, 1 year ago, and 18 months ago, I'll tell you what they were. The number one right now is defense and military for their investors. 6 months ago, it was also defense and military. A year ago, it was AI-related industries. 18 months ago, it was semiconductor equipment. To be honest, you should be in a mixture of all of those. Rather than trying to rotate and pick the best narrative, you should be in all of those. Number two, presently, is AI. 6 months ago, it was also AI. 1 year ago, it was defense and military. 18 months ago, it was technology, hardware, and equipment. Again, if you had all of those, you didn't have a problem. Number three, amongst UK investors, top three sectors right now with IG, semiconductor equipment. 6 months ago, it was the same. 1 year ago, it was the same. 18 months ago, it was software services. Quite frankly, if you had a portfolio of defense and military, AI-related, semiconductor, technology, hardware, you'd have a lot covered anyway. For us, that's by picking companies which are undervalued, high growth, dividend yielding. So as I said, defense, Babcock is up there, Rolls-Royce is up there, BAE Systems is up there for them. And then amongst some of the other sectors, obviously Microsoft and Apple for them as well. I hope that gave a bit of a brief insight into what people are thinking. If you like this, please follow and like and share it and comment, because if you do all of those things, it goes to more people on TikTok and YouTube. If it goes to more people because of the way those algorithms work, then more people see it, which means it's worth my while to do it for free. So you can easily send it for free to other people by simply even just commenting, because the algorithm picks that up, says, oh, Joe or Jane engaged. If they engaged with this video, it goes to more people. And that means I get more viewers and I decide to do more of these. Thank you very much. And I look forward to speaking to you all very soon. Oh, have a look at campaignforamillion.com, campaignforamillion.com. More free resources, more free articles on there as of today. Thank you.